Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how to delete Google search history on Android. So to do that, you have to go to your Chrome browser. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three dots on the top. And here go to settings. And here you will find the search engine option. Or you can also go to the So here you will find the site settings, or you can directly go to here. So after that, go to all sites, and here tap on delete browsing data on the top left, and here select the browsing history, cookies, and data. And after that, you have to tap on delete data and it will be deleted. So yeah, this is how easy it is to delete Google search history on Android. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.